Hello again, crafty people. I'm back to show you a few more of my recently completed projects. These are my freeform resin geodes and they're made entirely from resin. So there's no canvas, no board, no anything. They're just purely poured from resin and decorated with pigments, glitters, paints and crystals, other rocks, those kind of things. So let's take a look at this one. This is one that I've placed in a shadow box frame, and it's a little bit more subtle. Normally if you follow my channel, you know that I like really bright colours, I like glitter, all those kind of things. But sometimes it's nice to make things that kind of resemble nature. So when I made this freeform piece, I wanted it to look a little bit more subtle, a little bit might be more like you might find actually in nature itself. So if we take a look from the overhead camera, you can see there's less colours. I've used some clear acrylic gems around the outside. There's a few little dashes of glitter, but not too much. It's got some metallic pigments and then a lovely white and a pearl, along with more, this is rock crystals in the centre here. Looks kind of nice, I think, and I wanted it to look a little bit more natural, so it hasn't got any extra defining lines or anything, and that one goes there. And then this one is perhaps a bit more my style. You can see it's got very bold colours. It's got a fabulous gold in it. See how that gold looks, and a little bit of glitter, but doesn't go overboard. Take a closer look. Looks really nice. Really good. Lots of crystals here around the centre. These in fact are real amethysts. I bought a nice bag of amethyst chips on Amazon, and it's got these beautiful amethyst chips around the centre, and then it has some dyed glass around the outside, and beautiful gold, some lines of glitter, and then extra definition with some pen work. So I think this is one of my favourites that I've completed so far. I really like the natural look in this one, but at the same time I can't get over how much I love the really bold and kind of rich and glamorous look of this one. It's also got a nice gold metallic finish around the edge, and all in all I think that one is my favourite so far. So I mentioned in the previous video, it stands a bit old and rickety, about my freeform resin geodes class. So now have a class published. If you want to learn how to make these, you can pop over to the class and I will provide a link down underneath the video where you can find it. Thanks very much for watching and see you here on the channel again soon.